Barron's ASVAB 11th edition Diagnostic Test Arithmetic Reasoning question number 25. A chair was marked at a sale price of $240. The sale price is 25% less than the original price. What was the original price? So the sale price is $240, and that equals the original price, which is going to be x minus 0.25 times x. Now this would be the original price, which is 100%, and this is minus 25% of the original price. So $240 equals 0.75x, because 100% minus 25% is 75%. So we would divide by 0.75 to get x by itself. Divide by 0.75 on both sides. We have 0.75 goes into 240, and that would be 75 goes into 240 with an additional 2 zeros. And then we can actually go ahead and reduce this, because we see that there's a 5 here and a 0 here, so that means that both sides are divisible by 5. So we have 5 goes into 75 how many times? It's 1, 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 goes into 75 15 times. How many times does 5 go into 24000, which is 24,000. 24,000 divided by 5. Well, we have 5 goes into 24 a total of 4 times, and that's 20. 24 minus 20 is 4, 0. 5 times 8 is 40. Bring the 2 zeros. So now we have 15 goes into 4,800 by reducing the fraction. Let's go ahead and solve that out. 15 goes into 4800. 15 times 3 is 45. Put a 3 there, 45 here. 48 minus 45 is 3. Bring the 0 down. 15 times 2 is 30. We are finished. We know that it is, the original price is $320. There's an additional way to solve this. When we look at the problem like this, we know that the 240 divided by 0.75 equals 240 divided by 3 over 4, which equals 240 over 1 times 4 over 3. Remember, when we divide by a fraction, we multiply by the reciprocal of that fraction. So we're dividing by 3 over 4, we're multiplying by 4 over 3. And when you look at this, you think, how can you reduce the fraction? Well, you know that 8 times 3 is 24. So you see 3 goes into 240 80 times. Or 80 times 3 would be 240. The same way 8 times 3 would be 24. So now we have 80 over 1 times 4 over 1 equals 320 over 1, which equals $320. Remember, 80 times 4 is going to be the same thing as 8 times 4 and add a 0.